lovely people. We often say work-life balance, but isn't somewhere we are missing healthy life balance? We go for work, we go for tension, we go for stress, we become anxiety at some point, and some like sort of tension and pressure just going on in our day-to-day life, in our works, in this chaos in this world. So it's really so important to take care of your health, because if you won't feel healthy inside, then nothing will look healthy outside, right? So it's like a totally directly proportional equations. If we are taking care of our body, mind, and soul, then everything will look happy and cherishable outside. Otherwise, we will feel lousy, we won't feel that much good, and if we are doing something good, even we won't be able to give our 100%. So, healthy life balance is this much important. If we are taking care of our body, taking care of our mind, taking care of our physical activities, in fact, if we are adding some healthy food in our diet, so it's gonna add lots of changes and positivity around one's life. In this video, I'll be sharing some healthy tips. Also, we will be doing together Surya Namaskar. So let's start this. So grab whatever you are having, mat or bed sheet or anything, and even if you can start doing on floor itself if it is not slippery. Also make sure that you have hydrated your body and you haven't if it's in the morning session, that's fine, and if you are doing in the afternoon session or afternoon or evening time, so make sure that you haven't had food for 2 to 3 hours before, because we make sure that if there should be empty stomach if you are performing any asanas or any physical activity as so let's talk about a little bit of Surya Namaskar. So it's like ultimate asanas of yoga. So it includes 12 yoga posture, and every yoga posture has their own benefits and own health benefit. Let's do Surya Namaskar together.
Pranam Asana, also known as the prayer pose, stand upright, feet together, relax the whole body, take a deep breath. Second, we move for Hasta Uttanasana, the raised arm pose. Inhale and lift your body up and bend backward. Now moving forward to third step, Hasta Padasana, the standing forward bend pose. Exhale and bend forward from your waist. Try to touch the ground. The fourth step is Ashwa Sanchalasana, the equestrian pose, we also say it. Inhale and take a deep breath. Bring your right knee forward and keep it close toward the right part of the chest and stretch your left leg backward. Raise your head looking up. Fifth step, we have Dandasana, also known as the plank pose. Stretch your right legs as well behind, and the body should be parallel to the ground. Inhale and tones the abdomen, arms, shoulder and wrists. Sixth step is Ashtanga Namaskar, the 8-limbed pose. Exhale slowly after Dandasana and lay your knees down. Rest your chin, chest, hands on the floor and raise your hips up. Seventh step is the Bhujanga Asana, also known as the Cobra pose. Inhale, rest your legs, position your palms beside the chest, lower your hips and look upwards. This now moving to the 8th step of Surya Namaskar, Adho Mukh Savasana, the downward facing dog pose. Exhale, raise your hips and forms an inverted V shape. Look towards your navel, keeping your hand and feet on the ground. Ninth step is Aswa Sanchalasana. Inhale and practice the same posture as done in step 4 above. This time brings your left knee forward and extend your right leg backward. Hasta Padasana, the standing forward bend pose. Inhale and bend forward from your waist. Try to touch the ground, same as done in step 3 above. This step is Hasta Uttanasana, the raised arm pose. Inhale and lift your body up and bend backward as done in step 2 above. The last step, and this completes the whole circle of Surya Namaskar, is the Pranamas. So, Surya Namaskar consists of 12 yoga postures and the ultimate asanas, the form of expressing the gratitudes toward all the source of lights, rays of hope, and good energy, and the life itself. So, keep practicing these sets of asana every day, and you can do it as long as much as you can possible from your side. Start from 2 or 3 sets. Also you can go with 15 to 16 to 20 sets, and keep practicing. Pranam Asana and create the calmness in your body. Hasta Uttanasana, the raised arm pose, feel your body bring stretchable and more flexibility inside your body. Hasta Padasana helps to relieve anxiety, stress, and insomnia. Is Ashwa Sanchalasana, that helps in increasing flexibility. Dandasana tones the abdomen, arms, shoulder, and wrists stronger. Ashtanga Namaskar, this posture helps in releasing stress and brings the spine's flexibility. Bhujanga Asana, this posture helps in improving the blood circulation and tones the muscles. Adho Mukh Sava Asana, this posture helps to regulate blood circulation, improves respiration, and enhance the posture.
While doing Surya Namaskar, the whole body got engaged, and it helped to make this it helped to make this body very stimulated and very functioning body. And also another benefits of this Surya Namaskar, that it improve our immunity. Health wise, we get improvement from hair to skin glow to from menstrual cycle. Also it is very beneficial for women, and it in fact a 5 years children to any ages, according to your health conditions and consultants of doctor consulting. You can do it very well at your home. Even just you need to get open surrounding or any natural surrounding or any ventilated area where you don't feel suffocated. Psychologically, if we are talking, that it helps us to connect our body. It helps to in interconnection of body, breathe, and mind. So it helps to control this soul, mind, body, and everything, very interconnected and very rejuvenating inside. So guys, how are you feeling right now after doing the Surya Namaskar? Please let me know in the comment box that how do you feel when you do Surya Namaskar, and how does it helpful for you. And if you are a beginner, then you can go for 3 to 4 to 5 steps of Surya Namaskar. Also, if you are doing already into physical activity or doing yoga, then you can obviously go for 15 to 20 steps or any much you can. So I usually go for 15 steps of 15 times Surya Namaskar in a day. So if you are feeling enough motivated and good after doing this Surya Namaskar and enough motivated about the healthy life balance, so then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. This is the first session of a yoga and healthiness session of my channel, and I'll be sharing more and more videos and health tips and yoga postures, about postures and yoga in more upcoming videos. Let me know if you want me to share it, and also if you have any queries or any doubts, then please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. I would love to read from yours and learn from you and answer to you as much as possible. Also, make sure that you are breathing in and breathe out very accurately, because this is all about the breathe in and breathe out process. So keep breathing, keep doing yoga, keep doing meditation, keep maintaining healthy life balance, and stay tuned and stay fit. So a big heart, much love, and good health to you all lovely people. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.